What is up guys, it's Ruben from Host, and today we'll be doing a shared web hosting review for Sitelio. We'll be going from sign up all the way through to getting our hosted website up and running. Let's do this. And we are here on Sitelio's home page. They say we can create our website now. Find out what a website can do for you. Oh, I'm definitely curious to see what exactly it can do. 1, 2, 3. Choose a theme, edit your website, and publish to the web. Alright, let's do it. Alrighty, now we've got the themes here. We are tech. Let's see if there's any results. Technology. It's quite a few results. Oh, here's the one that we always take. Alright, so we get a little preview. If we wanted to, we could take a look at other categories. Maybe we'd think, no, maybe more music, or maybe a photography thing, or not too sure how themes is a category. I thought that the category was the themes category. Interesting. Alright, and here's our computer view. We can also see a mobile view. Quite nice. I like the fact that they also show you a mobile view. Well, I'm happy with it. Let's get started. And here we will sign up. We've got our name, our email address, password, and we always have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then we can get started. Yay! I thought we just chose our template. I guess not. Let's choose it again. Yay! Okay, so here is our template finally in editing. Now let's change something so we know it's real. Now let's just save it and see what happens. Alright. Yeah, so we choose our domain. So demo dash where to host. Why I don't put their name in it? Because it's already there in the subdomain. It's just demo dash where to host, and now I can save my site. Alright, our site has been saved. It is at this. Oh, it will be live at that address. Okay, cool. Oh, well, let's publish it now. Alright. So they tricked us. Yeah, they tricked us. You can have as much fun. Imagine I spent like 3 hours making my website and everything and editing it, getting all the text, images, just to find out I have to actually upgrade before it's on. That was a mean trick from them. That was very mean. But I guess for you guys, I'll do it. I'll upgrade. I'll spend that $7.99. I'll spend it for you guys. See? $7.99 for the 1-year plan. I'll do it. Alright. Okay, cool. So $7.99, domain included, free hosting, mobile sites, search engine optimization help, and you can take payments online. Cool. I like that one. Get money. Right, so we got free hosting, free domain, and site analytics. This site analytics is with Google Analytics. So you still do need a Google Analytics ID before that can actually work. And we choose our plan. 1 year. We save $51.62, 35% discount. And alright, here's our terms and service. All products automatically renew, blah blah blah. Okay, that's fine. I will fill out my card details and my billing information, and then I'll bring you guys back. So I've just paid. I've just upgraded, or so I thought. But now I have to wait. Oh well, I know it's only about 5 to 10 minutes. Then they'll email me, then they'll ask me to please call them. Anyways, I'll wait for them, and then I will bring you guys back. So we are back, and our site has been upgraded. It took them quite a while for the sales department to get back to me and actually confirm my order, etc, etc. But they did eventually, and I called them, waited a little bit, you know, went through the whole process. Took about 7 minutes to verify your order. So that's a bit annoying. There's no instant activation, but we now do have our upgraded site. If we actually go here and edit our site, we can put our site online. So as you remember, this is what we originally dealt with, right? And when we went to save and publish, that's where the issue came in. And then they told us we had to upgrade. But now we can publish. And there you go. Our site now is officially live. So let's take a look. And there you have it. See, here's the subdomain. Wait, hold on. Here's the subdomain, domain, and extension. It is live. It is viewable. Now, what's next? Testing. So we go over to GT Metrics and webpagetest.org. We've got our site URL here. We can just copy, we can paste it, start testing already. Paste. This is going to take a few seconds. Okay, web page test has indeed finished. It's not bad. It's pretty standard. The first initial load was 7 seconds and 7.5 seconds, and the repeated view was 2.8. It's quite a high speed index. Let's quickly take the waterfall and let's see what's taking it making it so slow. Alright, so it is looking good, pretty standard, especially it's got a nice use of content delivery network, which is quite nice. The time, it's still a tad bit slow, and I don't know exactly how well the caching is done. So I can't say I'm entirely sure on the caching aspect of it. Let's just take a look here. There is most definitely a significant improvement, but I'm still curious as to what is taking it so long. And as we always do, we're just going to rerun the test. While that test gets loaded, we can take a look at GT metrics. So that's the portion of JavaScript issue. That's a pretty normal one. Scaled images. It's a very minor difference. You know, it's not like one's a 1080p and the other one's a 240p image. You know, there's very minor differences, so we can ignore that. And then it's just the parsing of JavaScript that seems to be the issue. That does, however, affect our rendering time, or our page load time. Oh, that's why it's 11.8 seconds. The other one was saying about 8 seconds. I wonder why this one's a bit slower. Could just be the internet that they use there. But otherwise, there are some good stuff. This is a pretty standard score for the type of hosting that we're doing. Also considering the web page that we used, I think this is the max score that you can actually get. If we take a look at the Y-slow here, everything is done. Even the expiration headers are set. There's one that's not set, but I'm pretty sure we can overlook that. You know, it's not going to be like a major train smash because this one thing is not set. So yeah, and our page speed score, honestly pretty good. If only our JavaScript was an issue and the scaled images was an issue, would be pretty good. So I'm really not unhappy. This is pretty good. Very standard for this website, or this template that we use. Very standard score. So far nobody's actually gotten better score. So I think these two issues, well, I know definitely the JavaScript would definitely be how the actual template was set up. So we're not going to give Sitelio any issues there. And if we take a look at our test that has ran again, our first byte time has actually improved. Keep alive, that's the same. What is that, like a 0.1 second difference? Load time is a little bit less. Yeah, okay, it seems quite constant. There doesn't seem to be too much fluctuation. I'd like to maybe just rerun this test to make 100% sure, because that 11 point something second load time is a little bit high. Alright, so our C and our A is still the same, page speed score and Y slow. Nothing seems to have changed. Our load time is significantly less, around about 3 seconds less. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Unfortunately, we could not test the site before it was upgraded, but you know, when life gives you lemons, huh? So we have now upgraded, and because of that, we deserve our own free domain. And as part of the qualified plans, we do get one. So I'm thinking .com, Sitelio. Yes, I was also very nicely informed that it was indeed not Sitelio, but Sitelio, and this was during my order confirmation call. They very nicely informed me that it is Sitelio, not Sitelio. So I apologize to any of you who previously heard me say Sitelio, and yes, I've just butchered that one. But anyway, let's search. Awesome, Sitelio dash demo dash where to host is available. Interesting. So we do actually get a free domain. You know, it took me a few seconds to realize what exactly had happened here, but they're just offering us some more options, more suggestions. But if we take a look at our basket, here it is already 1 year for free. And we've also got our domain privacy, which we can add $10 a year. Not bad. Normally SSL certificates or anything to do with sort of a privacy aspect costs a little bit more. I think we are getting a slight discount on that. It's not indicated if there is a discount. Maybe it's just their pricing for domain privacy. I'm not entirely sure, but we have removed it because yeah, well, we don't need it for our demo site, and we can now check out. All right, they seem to be quite adamant on it. I was correct. Yeah, you see, it's normally $20, so we're actually getting about a 50% discount there. Is pretty cool. $10 to be exact that we're getting off, so that's really quite nice. Do we need any of that demo site? Nah. Awesome, our order has been confirmed for the total of $0.00. Alright, and well, it's going to register our domain and get everything in order for us. In the meantime, what we can take a look at is our emails. Oh wow, done already. Didn't see how quickly it finished there. Alright, regardless, let's just quickly add our mailbox. We get one for free. So obviously we're going to add admin. We'll add a password here. But if you want to add any more mailboxes, $5 a month. I've said this before, $5 is a lot of money to pay for a mailbox. Honestly, like $5 for 10 mailboxes is still hitting the pricier side, but let me rather not say anything. And now that we've got our demo dash where to host, it seems that the moment we purchased this domain, it had already set up that subdomain. It already linked it for us, seemingly. So let's actually just test that out. We're going to copy here and we're going to paste and go. Always forget to do that. All right, yeah, cool. So that's a nice aspect. I like the fact that they link it up for us. You know, they got a little bit of brains and they assume, hey, listen, this guy's only got one subdomain with us and now he's purchased an actual domain. Let's link it for him. So that's cool. Thumbs up on that one. And of course, we already have our email. We've got our marketplace, our service and everything. We've also got our Google Analytics, but we don't need to get into that. We've covered pretty much the basics of what Sitelio, my apologies, what Sitelio does. And I'm pretty happy about it. We can create more sites, but I believe you'd have to purchase then. No, I might be wrong there. Let's say, right, okay, so there's now, we wanted to add another site, but we don't have a domain for it. I'm wondering, will they allow us to have multiple sites and then just link them how and as we feel? We have this other template that we're dealing with. Let's just edit this. Okay, so we've changed it now to underwater fun. Let's see if we can save this. Alright, save. Alright, yeah, that actually worked quite well. Let's see if we can publish it. So we can't publish it. We'll have to upgrade our account again for each one. I think that's how it is. Each one's probably linked in some way. So each one's linked, and then you have to upgrade each one individually. But let's see if I can maybe rather not just link it. So we're gonna close here. You see, we've got this domain here. I'm wondering, because we've got our demo-where to host, and I'm wondering if we can maybe rather link the demo too. Let's quickly take a look if it'll pick it up, because that'll be kind of cool. Alright, so we've got here our assignee. Let's see if we can set it to the other one. No, it doesn't want to. It's a bit unfortunate. How would I then change my template? What if I get to a point and realize I actually want another template? Okay, wait. So now this one is indeed showing up on our main page. So let's just try this again. Wrong button. Let's just try this again. Let's just go options. I don't want to deactivate it. I'm scared something happens. Let's rather just go to our domain and see if we can't rather link it to demo 2. So let's make it unassigned. Hey, okay, cool. Let's see if we can maybe then set it. No, so it is, each one is based individually. You can't make multiples. Dang. What happens if we delete it? I'm actually really scared of doing that. Let's just deactivate it first. Alright, okay, let's just deactivate it. And then we'll see. We can deactivate it and still view it. Guys, I'm really nervous about this, but I think we just have to do it. Oh! Okay, so you can transfer the subscription to that. Okay, that's cool. So if we wanted to swap out the demo, we just make a new site, save it here, then link it and delete it. Easy peasy. That is in its essence Sitelio. So getting over to the things that I liked and things that I did not like about Sitelio. So first of all, one thing that I really liked was their sleek design. Gotta give it to them. Really, really good looking design. Loved it. We've seen it before a few times now, but it is a pretty good design. Also, the marketplace discount, pretty cool. It's not often that you get discounts on actual plugins or extras and that kind of stuff, so that was pretty cool to see. Also have to give it to them, their template selection, really nice. Was a little confused about how the themes is a category, because I thought we are actually taking a look at themes, or I don't know. Maybe I'm just overly complicating it. Not too sure. Anyways, yeah. But I have to say it was a pretty sleek looking template selection. I like the fact that you could search. That was quite cool. We were like, okay, cool, search tech, bam, found the thing that we were looking for. So that was quite cool. And quite obviously the Google Analytics, just the fact that you can throw in your Google Analytics ID and then the rest is done for you. Loved it. So yeah, that was quite easy. We never really got to play around with it a lot, but I have played with Google Analytics. It's pretty powerful, really useful, and the fact that it's free, well, not entirely free, I suppose. You still have to upgrade, but you don't have to pay extra for it, which is cool. And obviously, we didn't actually get to see the performance on the site before we upgraded, but the upgraded performance was pretty good. It was what we were expecting, and for that particular template, it did what I expected it to do. So I was quite happy there. Quite nice. And now, the things that I did not like. So obviously, you have to upgrade. You have to pay to see your site live. And that was a bummer and a half. I mean, as I said, imagine I spent like a boatload of time editing my site, looking nice, just to know that I have to pay that $7.99 just to see it live. At least when you upgrade it, you do, however, get a free domain, which is actually quite a bit. It's only for a year, but I mean, that's already like a .com domain is about $15-16, so that's $15-16 that you're saving, which is pretty cool. What I did not like, the fact that I had to choose the template again and again. Like, what's the deal? I mean, I've now sort of signed up with you. I was looking at all the templates and I said, okay, this is the one. and then you're like, oh, okay, cool, that's the one. No, that's not the one you want. Choose again. Also, again, with this type of design, or I don't know exactly what to call it, but the website linking the subdomain deal, not cool. Like, it's weird. You know, maybe I'm taking a look at it from a very technical point of view or something, but it felt very weird to me. It doesn't feel like anything's actually linked to something. You know, normally you've got a site, you've got your domain, and then with that domain you start doing stuff and things. It's not like this whole, yeah, okay, well, here's your separate domain, and then you're gonna go and you're gonna link. What's the deal with that? Also, you can't cancel services. What is up with that? I mean, how do you cancel services? You have to like wait till the last minute before they renew, or do you just have to like cancel your card and be like, now you can't get money from me? What do you have to do to cancel your services? And then the mailbox for $5. No ways. I'm not spending $5 on a mailbox. I don't care how much space they say they have. You know, I'm not gonna pay $5 a month for a mailbox. Just no ways. So yeah. And that does it for today's review of Sitelio. I hope you guys now have a better idea of who you would want to host your website.